Let's look at this question D. It is still the paper 2005, question 1. Now this is D part of it. If the metal of the photoelectric cell is now changed to one with greater work function. Now actually for this question we are given the kinetic energy, the relationship between the kinetic energy and the frequency. We have this straight line kind of graph here. Okay, but we don't need that. We have already memorized that. If the metal of greater work function. Now we know that we have this max is going to be hf minus phi, and to make sure that we have some electrons coming out of the metal, we have to make sure that this part is greater than 0. Now if your phi has increased, then your f should also be increasing to overcome this work function, the resistance energy, right? So if originally you have something like this frequency, originally you have something like this. This is your threshold frequency f0. Then if your work function has increased, then you need higher frequency. This is higher frequency, f0 apostrophe, to knock the electrons out of it. Yes. Now remember, maybe I'm not writing it or drawing it so well, but the blue line and the red line are parallel with each other. So how do we explain it? If draw a line, it asks us to draw a line on the graph above to represent how. So it is going to be something like this. We want to use the red pen. We can draw a line like this. Now if this like the negative phi value, and this is going to be, you know, the increased phi value apostrophe. Okay.